Welcome aliens. This is the arithmetic operator video in Java series. So let's start. So arithmetic operators are like additions, subtraction, multiplication, division. These are called the arithmetic operators in programming language. So let's take an example of it. I took a two variables, integer a equals to 10 and p equals to 20. Okay, so let's just print this. System dot out dot println addition of a and b. Okay, so here we make a heading. What we want to do is now system dot out dot println value of value of a is concatenate concatenate a system dot out dot println. Let me just copy this. Okay. So here b and here also b and semicolon. I think let's type value of b is b. Okay, so let's see, does this work or not? Okay, so we are in the folder where I have saved my all Java programs. So run the program Java J demo arithmetic operator, and yes, we can see here the value of a is 10, the value of b is 20. Okay, so now see there this is a little bit confusing to find out where what is the where there is a I want to add one line over here for specify everything. So just end of the any in any print, whenever you print something, then end of the statement just write \n. That stands for new line. Okay, let's save and run again. See, one new line is added now, so we can differentiate. Okay, so let's go further now. But we are printing all this value, but how to add them individual? So I want third variable for it, so let's take c equals to a plus b, right? So let's see what happened, but before that, system dot out dot println addition of a and b is okay. Concatenate the c variable over here, c, and press Control S. Okay, so let's run the program, and here is the answer. So the value of a and b is 10, value of b is 20, the addition of a and b is 30, right? So let's make it this is a little bit cool. Control X, Control V. Let's write here system dot out dot println arithmetic expressions, right? Okay, let's see the output now. So let's add one more slash n over here so we can get better result. See, arithmetic expressions, value of a, value of b, addition a and b is 30, right? So this is completely good. Now let's do one more thing in this running program. I want to subtract between a and b, so let's subtract them. For that I have to take one more variable. So over here c is for, let's change the name for sum and make it here sum2. If you don't change these you will get an error. So now here let's subtraction, for subtraction let's take sub equals to a minus b, right? So just print, wait, doesn't matter, system dot out dot println inverted subtraction of a and b is, okay, concatenate sub over here, sub, okay, control S. Let's try slash n here to make interface clear. See, oh sorry, oh, color concatenate over here, series and here. See, the value of a is 10, value of b is 20, addition of n is 30, subtraction of n is minus 10. Why? Because the 10 minus 20 and the 20 is the largest value in this particular statement, and the sign is minus 10 is in front of before 20. So the mathematical rules are followed here. So the minus 10 is the answer. Same as now I want to do a multiplication. Let's do a multiplication for it. For that I have to write here, let's take a new other variable called multiplication, mul a into b, right? So let's go make other system dot out dot println multiplication of a and b is, right, conjugate mul, right, oh, sorry, small mul concatenate slash n, oh, it has to be in string slash n semicolon, right? as. Let's run again. See the addition of the subtraction and the multiplication of these two values is 200, right? Okay, now let's divide. Okay, for division. So I choose div for the division. A divided by b, right? So let's go to the another system dot out dot println brackets parentheses inverted commas division of a and b is okay. So I'm sorry, div for division and semicolon, save and run. Wait, let me clear this screen. Okay, okay, division is 0. Okay, let's change the value first so we can get the proper. Okay, ls. Okay, okay. The arithmetic expressions, value of a is 20, value of b is 10, addition of b is 30, subtraction of a, b and b is 10, multiplication is a and b is 20 into 10 equals 200, division of a and b is 2. So see, this is how simple is this arithmetic operator in Java language. So this is for it for now. I am Pachutha from Alien Programmers. Goodbye and take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye. If you have any query, comment in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.